Today we're putting the Grandfalls Plus Pressure Washer to the test. Can it really handle tough dirt and grime as easily as they claim? Stick around and let's find out just how powerful this washer really is. And this is the Grandfalls Retractable Pressure Washer Plus. Delivers a 2200 psi and a 20.1 gallon per minute with a 100-foot built-in hose reel, all in one sleek wall-mounted unit. It's perfect for cars, patios and driveways cleaning. Okay, let's test the pressure washer. Let's turn it on here. Let me take a little bit out of the hose. How much is enough? Right there. Make sure this one locks. So now, let's test it. The water pressure is perfect for car washing and it feels really good in the hand, and the pressure is enough to do car washes. And another cool feature about this one is that it comes with a foam gun, is included in the package, and as you can see, it works great. And also this pressure washer works great to clean the floors like in the driveway or the walls of your house, so it is perfect for that too. And this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Grandfalls pressure washer with the gun, 100 feet hose long, with extra hose to connect it on the side. Okay, the screws to mount it on the wall. This pin is to lock this one, the reel, level for the installation, the foam gun, and the instructions. So this is everything that comes inside the box. Alright, that wraps up our test of the Grandfalls Plus Pressure Washer. Honestly, it handled dirt, grime, and surface better than I expected. And the price is great, and also the cool feature is that it's retractable and you can mount it in the wall. That's amazing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews and tests, and let me know in the comments what do you like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next one.